I am not the one to tell you have to eat chicken, broccoli, and brown rice on a health and fitness journey. Couldn't be me. Listen, I've lost 200 pounds and I love snacks. I love junk food. But I try to find healthier alternatives with better, cleaner ingredients. I find all those with Thrive Market. Got me a new haul of snacks here. Let me show you everything that I picked up. I love popcorn. It's low calorie and delicious if you have a salty craving. 120 calories for 3 cups. Ma'am, high volume, low cal, we love it. That one was white cheddar. This one is just real organic cheddar. Popcorn, 130 calories, 3 cups. Okay, so I've been wanting to try this. I'm just curious about it. This is nut granola. It's from 7 Sundays, and it has less than 1 added gram of sugar. It's sweetened with dates and coconut sugar. It's dark chocolate and raspberry nut granola. So let's taste test. Wow, I'll be honest. It doesn't taste like fake, if that makes sense. Like it tastes like legit real strawberries. Or raspberry, sorry. Fair time, it's literally around the corner. And I love a churro and I love a funnel cake, but hear me out. These are so good. They're called churro strips and they're grain-free, 130 calories for 16 of these. Look at all of that on there. It's coated. Just like a funnel cake, I'm not even kidding. 10 out of 10. So do you like Funyuns? There you go. These are hyperspace hot onions, so we got a little spice to them. I love spicy stuff. Guys, fun fact. Thrive Market has a barcode feature, so you can scan any of your favorite junk food items, and Thrive Market will show you a healthier version of that junk food item that has better, cleaner ingredients on their website. I'm gonna go to the store later, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, okay? Here we go. This tastes exactly like a Funyun, but spicy. These are amazing. More popcorn because, again, low calorie, high volume. We love that. 120 calories, 3 cups. This one is all about the elote. If you love elote, I'm telling you, it's so good. It's got a little spice to it. Got some new pretzels to try. Butternut squash pretzels. Snacks with a plant-based twist, apparently. These are good for you. Like, I'm not kidding. The back smells like squash. Cauliflower cheddar puffed veggie stalks instead of veggie straws. It tastes like a veggie stick. Chive and garlic thins. These are baked, not fried. They're made with a lot of healthy ingredients. Very clean. Let's taste. Smell good. It's so good. A lot of these things don't taste like over-processed and fake, if that makes sense. Again, I love popcorn and pretzels, clearly. So I got some cheddar cheese pretzel crisp. All these flavors are good. You all know it. 8 out of 10.